Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can import documents from Google Docs. Here we have a document in Google Docs. We will import this document into Kroolo. Let's return to the Kroolo dashboard. To import the document, first we need to connect Google Drive. To do this, simply click on Import. You will see the Google Drive option. Click on Connect next to that. Next, click on Connect Account. Choose the account you want to connect and click on Continue. Click on Continue again to give access. Google Drive is successfully connected. Now we need to select the folder from where we want to import the document. Click on this. A list of all the Google Drive folders will be displayed. By default, the documents are stored in the root folder. So we will select Root. This will show us a list of all the documents in the root folder. This is the document we want to import, so we will select this. Then click on Import. The document is now successfully imported. To open the document, click on the title. And here's our document. This is how you can easily import documents from Google Docs into Kroolo. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.